This is in reference to the interior design quiz that I created that is actually pretty accurate because it's based on the visual elements in a design and not on a particular style. And I'm in the middle of creating a shopping guide because I was like, I've broken all this stuff down into little pieces. If I could give people a guide where they could take it with them while they were shopping and shows you what kind of furniture legs to look for and what kind of patterns to look for and what kind of fabrics would work best with your particular type, then you can look at an individual piece and know whether or not it fits into the design in your house. We do have a pre-order available, and the pre-order gives you a downloadable version right now that's very simple and just kind of goes over how the types work, also a list of a bunch of interior design styles and how they fit into the types and etc, etc. But if you purchase that, you will be getting everything I create when it's finished. My goal is to finish it midway through October. If you wait to buy it, you'll only get your type. It'll be much more expensive if you want to buy the entire thing. So go buy it now and you'll get a really good price.